Kia ora, my name's Richard Te Hiranui Jones and I'm one of two owners in Taha Beverages. We started the beverage in 2012, sort of leveraging off the natural and medicinal properties that are in kawakawa. My business partner had done some work with kawakawa before and we got talking and just saying, well, what else can we do with this? So we went to a kind of like a professional drink formulator and they did up some samples for us. And we tested that with friends and family, and my kids gave me a big tick for it. So we thought, well, that was our market research, and we said, well, we've got to make the plunge. And we went ahead and produced our first batch back in 2012. Well, right from the start, we wanted to make a business from it. At that point in time, we also knew that we wanted to export because the New Zealand market is just too small. So we knew it was going to be really competitive. We're up against like the Bundabergs, the Coca-Colas, the Schweppes and any number of New Zealand companies. So right from the start we said, yes, we want to make an innovative sort of beverage using best as possible natural ingredients, particularly ingredients from New Zealand, and the kawakawa has got a really good story behind it. And then the next step was, we've got to sell it now. The first supermarket we approached was in Kerikeri in the Bay of Islands, because that's where my business partner lives, and they took it on. And then around about the same time I met the owner of a supermarket in Auckland, and we did the tastings and the stuff just really went off, and he saw that. He saw that people really liked the drink, and so he allowed us to come into his supermarket and start selling. We want to be an environmentally aware business, and so kaitiakitanga comes into a lot of what we do, particularly our harvesting of the kawakawa. We go into the ngāhere or the bush. I say a little, quietly say to myself, just a little karakia just to pave the way. When we're picking the kawakawa, we don't strip a kawakawa tree completely. There's so much around, so you just kind of move around, just picking as you go, and I find that part of the work quite therapeutic. It just takes your mind away from everyday things that are going on in your life. I don't have a sales background, but I kind of learnt. I'm pretty good at reading how people are, and so I learnt, sometimes I said, no, I'm not interested, and you haven't even talked to them, and yet you've waited in line for, say, almost an hour to see them. So we had to go through that, and we did all that ourselves, travelling around the countryside, waiting in supermarkets to see the buyers, and sometimes getting accepted, sometimes getting rejected, more often than not saying, well, come back again. Sales didn't come naturally to me, but we soon learnt, and it was really about reading personalities and developing relationships.